we are using a onion, 2 tomatoes, Scotch bonnet pepper, and this one is so yellow and big and nice. We're adding a few cloves of garlic, bell pepper, just a half, a corn, and now for the star of my show, the Grace Jack Mackerel. Yes, guys. So this morning I am doing curry mackerel. So this is my curry, and I am also using a little all-purpose to kick things up and flavor up my pot. So let's kick this thing off. Let's get this thing started. So we are just cutting up our tomato. To kick the show off, we have to prepare our earthly seasoning. So I'm doing just about that. So yes guys, this mackerel, this curry mackerel is going to be really great, really nice, really tasty. Can't do what is Grace mackerel without a Scotch bonnet pepper, guys? What is Grace mackerel without a Scotch bonnet pepper? This is to turn up the spice and kick things off as well. Now we are just dicing our onion. Onto our garlic cloves. So I'm going to just cut this corn in some round circles, and I'm gonna pre-cook it. Yes guys, pre-cook your corn. And this is a sweet corn, big lovely nice sweet corn. Alright, so let's go. I'm gonna go ahead and drizzle a little oil in my pot. That's about it. Then I'm gonna go ahead now and add my, I'm going to just add my curry. And you want to turn your stove gauge down and low. You don't want to burn up your curry. You just want to burn it. Not burn it up, but just to burn it. So as I said guys, turn your stove down on low heat. So after that curry has burned, you just want to go ahead and add your garlic to your pot. Releasing that flavor. Then I'm gonna just go ahead now and add my onion along with my tomato. At this point, you're gonna add your sweet pepper, then your scotch bonnet pepper. And guys, if you don't like spicy food, please remove the seed. You know I love spicy food, so I generally don't remove my pepper seed unless I am doing the dish for somebody that don't like spicy food. Alrighty, and you want to turn your stove gauge up a little. You can put it to medium at this point to stir fry all your seasoning. And now my pot is ready to receive my braised mackerel. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna just pull that. Pop open that. I'm going to just pour it into a plate before I put it in the pot. So let's pour. This mackerel is so chunky, guys. Look at that. Look at that huge ever chunk. And you only get 2 pieces, but it is huge. So I'm going over to the pot with this now, so come along. Alright, this is looking lovely. I'm gonna go ahead now and add my seasoning to the pot. Alrighty, then I'm going to just give that a good little stir to combine. Make sure that my season is well seasoned. Oh, that sounds so. My season is well seasoned. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna go ahead now and add. You notice I didn't add any water to the pot, right? Look at that. There's no water added to the pot as yet. So I'm gonna go ahead now and I'm going to add some water to the pot. And I'm using my braised mackerel tin. I'm washing it out with a little water. You know me have to put a little water in it and wash it out, guys. So yeah. Then I'm gonna go ahead now and I'm going to add my corn to the pot. Alrighty. So I'm gonna go ahead now and add some salt to my pot. Look like it is a lot, but it is not. Alright, so I'm going to just stir this to combine. Look at our corn, guys, looking so lovely. So you know we're gonna add to it pot now. Yeah, wanna know what we're missing, right? What is missing? Our grace mackerel. But anyway, guys, use any brand of your choice. For today, I'm using the Grace brand. So let's add our mackerel to the pot. And because this is so chunky and so big, I cut it in two. So we're adding our mackerel to the pot. And we're going to go ahead and give this a nice little stir. Just to combine everything and let our mackerel get saturated in this lovely gravy here. In this nice lovely sauce. So we just want to make sure that our mackerel soak up all of this nice juicy sauce here. And we are just going to cover and leave this to simmer for a minute or two. That is so lovely, guys. Look at that. So this is it now, guys. This is finished. And you know your girl I gonna plate it for you all to see. So this is our curry mackerel with corn. Have you ever done mackerel like this before? With corn? Go ahead and try it, guys. Alrighty, so let's just plate this.